everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marian. In today's video, I thought I would show you the gifts that I got from my co-workers. This year, I'm not gonna lie, we went all out for each other. But before I jump into this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoy, give it a big thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm gonna start with like the simple stuff, which one of my co-workers, she gave everyone, you know, a little small little treat. It's 2 truffles from Lindor, and this is the peppermint white chocolate. So everyone got these. Then another one of my co-workers bought, I'm thinking these are cookies or graham crackers or something, but it's so cute. The packaging is very cute. I haven't opened it because of the packaging, but it says fudge grams on here, and yeah, very nice, very cute. Then for our department holiday lunch, we did Secret Santa. So my Secret Santa got me a couple of things from Sephora, because everyone in my department knows I shop at Sephora. And just a couple of things in here. So he got me Mario Badescu skincare facial spray. I've actually never used anything from Mario, so Badescu, so that'll be my first. And then some Sephora hydrating cleansing wipes. Definitely, you know, I'll definitely use those for sure. And then he got a mini duo set of the YSL Libre and then the Black Opium. So what's so crazy is he kept saying, I need help finding a gift for a woman. I'm not really sure. Can you send me recommendations? So I sent him recommendations, and he ended up he had me and knew all along. So basically I gave him recommendations for my own gift, and I told him he cheated. He did good, but he still cheated. So from Secret Santa. Then another coworker, she got me multiple gifts, but this is the first one, and it's from, of course, Starbucks. And she got me this cute cup. So yeah, this is very bougie, very stylish, and I love my cup. Then we're gonna move on to the gifts that I got in here. Another co-worker of mine got me this cute Christmas cup, insulated thermal cup. It says metal travel tumbler, and it's so cute. I love it. And I'm a sucker for cards. I love cards, so it has my name on it. It says happy holidays. This is so cute. The more the merrier, from Kate Spade. And then of course a Starbucks gift card, and it says Merry Christmas, Marian, and it has the year 23. She's like my mom. My mom likes to mark each year, the years for the cards. I did another gift exchange with 3 of my co-workers. So 2 of my co-workers got me the AirPod Pros 2nd generation. I tell you, I almost cried when they gave me this, because I won these during my department lunch, and my daughter wanted these for Christmas, so I was like, I'm gonna give her those. And I kept telling myself I'm gonna buy me these, and literally yesterday I was like, I should just go ahead and go into the Apple store and buy these for myself, because I need them. And one of my coworkers, she was like, I just got tired of seeing you with those wired headphones at your desk and the cord just hanging. And I was just like, no. And honestly, I just thought she was gonna give me the new Huda Beauty blush or whatnot. She was like, nah. So both of them surprised me. And if you're watching, because they do watch, I appreciate you girls. I love you girls. I really love this gift, because I will be rocking these every day. Actually, I charged them and we're using them immediately at work. And then my girl D, love her to death. She know I love the candles from Anthropologie. So she got the candle, and she got me a diffuser. This is the Capri Blue Volcano Fragrance Reed diffuser, and it matches the candle that I have. You can smell it through the box. You can smell the candle far away too. If you shop at Anthropologie and had their candles before, then you already know. So this here will definitely be in my bedroom. It matches my decor that you can't really see, but I really love their candles. Then she got me the Volcano Capri candle from Anthropologie, and this is in Bougie. It just smells so amazing. It smells so good. And just look at the aesthetic of the candle. This could be home decor once you finish burning the wax of the candle. So this will definitely be used again as some type of home decor. I can see me putting my brushes in here and stuff like that, but this candle smells amazing. And then last but not least, the girls got me a card too, because they know I'm a sucker for cards, like I said. And I'm not gonna read the note because both of them wrote something personal, but it says Merry Christmas and celebrating the warm memories of yesterday, appreciating the true joys of today, and wishing you a beautiful new year. And then this is the card. So yeah, those were all of the gifts that I got from my co-workers. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you had a holiday party, if you got anything from your co-workers, leave a comment down below and let me know. If you enjoyed the video, if I didn't say it before, give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, thank you for watching.